against Nathan MacKinnon. So get ready, and here we go. And the Avalanche will get to this puck, and they'll wind it in. Martin will get a touch early. It's flipped back in. The Aho line still has to stay here after the icing. Now here comes a chance. Sebastian Aho has got Roslovic coming across. Aho stops, and Roslovic had it tied up. Couldn't pull it clean. Georgiev got across.
Avalanche chances, but prior to that, heck of a chance for the Hurricanes. And wow, what a save with the toe from Georgiev.
That forces Georgiev to stop his momentum, and the Canes had it for a moment, but chipped right back out. Orlov with it. Coming up on 9 minutes gone by. The Avalanche do not have a credited shot on goal, but the Canes have scored! Jack Drury pointing to the passer, Jordan Martinook again, and the Canes have a 1-0 lead here in Colorado.
Martinook with a Drury-like feed to Blake.
The flex. To the corner it goes. Trying to make a play with it. No score out in front. Jordan Martinook.
Martinook to Drury in the first period. Looked like it might add a little bit of sauce.
He gets it to Aho. Goss to spare. His pass intercepted. Excellent read across the way. Winding up and scoring.
Was getting back. And what a shot location. He got a ton on it, but
Canes Carrier got a stick to it. It's deflected the other way. And here comes MacKinnon. Low drive save. Martin rebound. They'll score.
MacKinnon was shooting for a rebound. And that was an underrated play by Malinsky.
Necas with it. He'll leave it. Svechnikov's pass. It goes off at Jarvis. Sent across the score! A power play goal!
Support from Jarvis. And Jarvis has his second dazzling assist.
Didn't put the blade on it. Now he'll get another chance. Walker tries to tie him up. MacKinnon powers his way through. Dodges and scores!
Really cheated towards that.
Turn with it. Along the boards, intercepted by Renton. He tries to feed MacKinnon, who settles it down, gets it across, and somehow it stays over the blue line. As Lehkonen couldn't finish, kept in, deflected out in front, they'll score. Chasing all around, and a deflection. And that time, Lehkonen doesn't miss.
MacKinnon was also lurking. Rantanen, safety valve forward, way up top. Locates the stick that prevents a goaltender from doing his job. Before the puck is there, is goalie interference.
Back in Toronto.
Yeah, so he had time to reset. He could have avoided the pain. See, right here, he has time to reset, and it's clearly in the blue paint.
After reviewing the play, it was determined there was no goaltender interference. The call nice good goal.
Played back out. Rantanen shot is blocked out in front by Slavin. Slavin swung a little bit. Rantanen will get the rebound and score.
Teams where goalie makes a huge save, but he doesn't get to enjoy it because you don't get to that next whistle. Martin didn't make one, he made two huge stops.
Trying to play it from Rantanen. And the Canes will hang on. Chatfield to Aho. Aho leaves it. Necas' shot deflected. Martinook scores!
With Mr. Red Hot Necas, Martinook very similar to his goal.
For the 8th time this year, a multi-point game. Jordan Martinook with 2 goals. Necas with a goal and an assist. Carolina sends Jarvis out to the face-off circle against MacKinnon. Canes crash the circle, but it's going to come free, and a 170-foot shot from Rantanen finds the back of the net. And from that, the Avs get a 6-4 lead.
Well, down 2-0 and then 3-1. Sorry, 3-2. Colorado Stars brought him back in a massive.
As Svechnikov has it, he turns with 3 seconds. He'll flip it backhand. Georgiev will get a touch, and this one will end. And the Avalanche